Then I'll talk about its relationship with database, and then I'll talk about what's motivating us to work on this project. Before we talk about the blockchain history, let's first review what is a blockchain. So first of all, a blockchain does not equal Bitcoin. Rather, blockchain is a technology Bitcoin uses. So in essence, blockchain is a distributed database that maintains a continuously growing list of all the records called blocks. The blocks are secured from tampering and revision. Database is not a new concept. Its origins go back to libraries. In 1960s, computer databases were started. In 1970s, relation databases are created. In 1980s, SQL, the standard query language on relational database, was invented. In 1990s, databases are used to power online applications with the development of the internet. All kinds of online applications started to produce a lot of data. So in 2000s, Google published Big Table, a system designed to scale into the petabyte range and across thousands of machines. And the development of database shifted to cloud database, and big data became a word everyone is talking about.